Okay. Oh, that is a cockroach. My pants. You saw me when I jumped into the water. When I jumped into the water, my pants
It's
got
turning
really
towards
wet.
me.
And well, anyways, I've been drying my pants. It's like maybe 50%, like 60. So hopefully that heater can dry up those pants.
You're so mean.
Come on, Link, go towards it.
You're so mean. I don't make you go towards spiders. Do I make you go towards spiders?
No.
Okay. Okay. So let's.
It's just a cockroach. I understand.
And they're just spiders. I don't make you go closer to them.
It's just a cockroach. Like yuck, right? Yuck. Yeah. Whatever, it's a cockroach. I'm going to bed. So guys, we are in the small sea town of Kafia. We're here because one of our friends' dad has a summer batch and they were so nice to invite us over for the weekend. And also, today is my birthday, so it's kind of nice to just get out of town and you know, do something special. And the thing to do in Kafia is fish, because everybody seems to have a boat in this town. Took a walk this morning, headed up. Literally every house had a boat. If I moved to Kafia, I would feel the peer pressure to buy a boat as well. It's everywhere. Got a boat down there, boat over there. Everyone's got a boat. So we're gonna go fishing today. We're gonna take the boat out. We're gonna stay within the harbor and hopefully we could catch something nice. Maybe snapper, we'll see. When you put your boat in the water, you have to back up. And then once you back up, someone's gotta get, you know, depending on the tide, either anywhere between ankle deep up to waist deep to pull the boat into the water. Well, last night, over a couple of drinks, I pretty much volunteered myself to be that person. So I'm hoping for a low tide so that the water cuts off here, because the water is absolutely frigid in New Zealand. Even in the summertime, it's cold. When we were in Dunedin in the summertime, surfing at St. Clair Beach, I had to wear a wetsuit, and I'm Canadian. Anyways, the water's frigid. It's cold all the time, all year round. So I'm gonna potentially freeze my testicles off. I will miss them. Oh, someone's calling. Hey, Langadang. Yes. I just finished filming my talking head bit. Oh, I see Ling. There she is. She's off in the distance.
We're now at the back of the boat and we're gonna be driven around town.
I'm ready now to figure out the reason. The more that I lose myself, the more that I find you.
How is it? Is it cold?
It's cold. It's cold.
If we're in the water, I won't be able to get that.
Oh yeah, that's true. I'll just chuck it over to you. I feel the coldness in my face.
In my foots. No pins and needles? It's not that cold.
No, once you lose circulation in your feet, you don't really feel much.
Oh, you gotta
Spin the boat.
Pointy bit out that way.
Point it. What?
The pointy bit.
turn it.
Turn
The
it.
boat.
Papa.
No, I've never done this before.
Did a great job. I'm nice and dry.
We're a bunch of city slickers, you and I, eh, Link?
Yeah, but at least I'm dry. Like I'm A-okay.
Right, we're gonna push this guy off to sea. We're going back to Canada, right?
Don't worry about airplanes, we'll just take this boat.
There's ways around coronavirus, clearly.
Come on.
this morning.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
And we're off. Bye, New Zealand. It's been fun. Canada, here we come.
I never wanna see the end. I'm caught in a dream again. In the night of mighty love.
Trying to locate the fish.
Trying to locate the deep water.
So that's the bottom of the...
That's the bottom, yeah.
Okay.
At the moment it's only not even 2 meters deep. Only just over 1.5 meters.
It wasn't too deep.
It's just the knots jamming, right? No, it's the knots jamming, eh? Knots jammed somehow.
Yeah, there you go.
That's better.
Dropping the anchor.
I think these fish are going to be eating better than we are going to eat. Albacore tuna. We got some nice albacore. We don't have to fish. I mean, we got the fish right here.
We just needed to bring out the crackers.
Sashimi platter.
She's a bit frozen.
They could smell the Canadians on the boat.
Hey, how's it going, hey?
How's it going, eh? We're going back up to Canada, eh? What is this?
I believe it used to be squid.
There's some no, there's some grab some
Mackerel or something.
no, there's some
I told you it wasn't this way. I told you to ask for directions.
Yeah, maybe they're just
They're saying
sorry.
sorry.
The whole time.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. Very polite. The most polite ducks you'll ever meet. And now we wait. Wait for the delicious snap.
I think you could just. You don't need to hold it. You could just.
I could just put it there.
Yep.
Well, that makes my life a lot easier, doesn't it? Ling's getting attacked by sandflies. You're the bait. We're safe as long as Ling stays on the boat.
Well, your pants are gonna be stretched out, so.
That looks like rain.
Everything I want, 'cause I got a roof over my head, the woman I love laying in my bed, and it's alright, alright. I got shoes under my feet forever.
Lost my baits, so I had to put some more tuna on there. Yeah, just started raining. Alright, we need to get to shelter. Otherwise we're gonna get soaked. Still no fish yet.
Maybe later on we'll walk down to the river, lay on a blanket and stare up at the moon. It may not be no.
Got a bite. Legs got a bite.
That's it. Put it against your hip. That's it.
Wind it up.
Yay!
Maybe Ling caught a Ling. That time, same
no.
did it get away?
But
So
other
we're gonna-
fish don't like seconds.
They don't like sloppy seconds?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna throw some fresh bait on there. Albacore tuna.
Legit.
Ling's got another bite. So Tracy, the seasoned veteran here, is going to pull it in. You might got something yummy.
Mommy's caught a fish.
Oh, there you go. Heyo, let's go. First fish of the day, guys. So that means that we're not going to starve tonight. Whoa.
Come on, Dad.
It's like it's having a seizure. Oh my god.
Can we get a towel, please?
Is it slimy?
Not good easy.
It's just like holding it in a blanket.
I just don't know what to do.
Yeah. Yay! Lovely.
Oh,
Away. That's all I know.
That's yeah.
Oh, no bait. Look at that. That might explain why.
That's probably why we don't.
No
yeah.
bait, no bites. That's usually what happens, right?
I don't know much about fishing.
Here we go.
In the boat, in the water. No, the other way. Ew, that sound.
I just made a mess. All these squid guts here because I didn't know how to chuck the line.
In the boat.
How to chuck the
In
line
the
in.
water.
You know who's cleaning the boat, right?
Mouthful of cheese.
Yeah, chewy and.
Yay!
Oh, nice.
That looks like the same one we caught.
Cowboy.
Another cowboy.
Oh.
Beautiful. Kiss it.
Did you give him a kiss?
Is that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah. Give him a kiss. Go on.
Hey.
Never done that before. Sorry for making you late for something. Mark's got a bite. Is this the orca?
Come on, Snapper.
They're getting smaller and smaller.
I know. Is that the same fish we just caught?
Such a provider. Look at you, another one.
It's good that it's on camera. More fish. And another one.
Another little one.
Another one. And he left the bait. How polite of him. Thank you, fish, sir. Save it or chuck it.
Chuck it. It's not scary.
Alright. Eat it or chuck it. We chucked it. Oh yeah, look at that one right there. That's definitely potentials right below us. All the yummy bits. The
Oh, look at
tentacles.
that.
Yummy, yummy.
It's like
squid.
something from Alien.
Oh, you're gonna catch a humpback whale at that point, I think. We're gonna be eating orca adobo tonight.
You got it, you lose it.
Go, 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 go.
Something. Some resistance. Oh.
Oh.
There he is. He's there. Oh. He dropped
Bye.
the water. Well, we caught a glimpse of it. He looked juicy. That was the one that got away.
Doesn't count unless you get it in the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in heaven.
Yep, he's there. He's there. Oh. Oh, there it goes. And did Mark catch crab again? Was it a crab?
Yep.
Another crab?
Really?
Yes.
Oh, and then it disappeared.
Whoa, come here, buddy. Come here. It's all right. It's just...
Good job, Mark.
Oh, I thought that would never happen.
All right, we're pulling up the anchor. That is a wrap on today's fishing expedition. Not a bad haul. We got, what, like 4 or 5 fishes? A couple little baby ones that we threw back in. 2 crabs.
Don't need no 5-star reservations. I got spaghetti and a cheap bottle of wine. Don't need no concert in the city. I got a stereo and the best of Patsy Cline.
Show off my sexy brown legs.
Oh, we'll just stop here.
We just stand.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
stand up here in the middle.
So that rack is specially made for this kind of water, right? That
Yeah.
it won't like.
Oh,
here we go.
You do it yourself. Yeah. That way.
There we go. Success. I did all the work. Alright guys. That's a wrap on that. We got the boat on the hitch. We are good to go. Let's get some ice cream.
Roof over my head.